Use the JobTread and Slack integration in order to push JobTread notifications directly into your Slack workspace. Let's check out how this works. First, an administrator in your organization could head down into their settings. Then they're going to click on the Integrations tab. Here's where they'll scroll down and find the Slack tile. Open up that Slack tile, and if you do not have a Slack integration set up yet, this is what it will look like. Now, you do need to set up a Slack account already before trying to add the new integration. Once you have a Slack account established, then you can click Add New Slack Integration. This will then prompt you to log into your Slack account, and then it will request permission for JobTread to access the Slack workspace. So here you'll see that I can also choose the channel that I would like all of the JobTread notifications to push into. Let's take a look at an organization that I already have set up with the Slack integration. I'm going to switch over to the Big Ranch Construction organization here. Now again, we went to our JobTread settings, we clicked on the Integrations tab, and then we chose that Slack tile once again. When you do have the integration set up, this is what you're going to see. You have the ability to choose exactly which notifications push from JobTread over to Slack. So, for example, if you want to be notified for any new customers that are created in JobTread, this is especially helpful if you want to be notified by people filling out your web lead capture form, then turn on Customers Created. Or if you would like to be notified when vendors are created, you could turn that on. Maybe I want to be notified when I sell a job. That's the most important thing, right? So that would be in your customer orders, and you're going to choose when those customer orders are approved, you want to be notified in Slack. Another example could be if you would like to send any messages or comments from JobTread over to your Slack channel so you never miss a beat. That would be in the comments section. Whenever, let's say that there is a comment or a message created on a job, then you might want to get notified in Slack as well. Once you set up all of these notification preferences, then you'll go ahead and click Save. Now you have the opportunity to set up additional workspaces on your Slack integration. Just head up to the top and click Add New Slack Integration, and that will ask you which workspace you'd like to add, and you can set up different notification preferences there. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your success manager or email support@jobtread.com, and of course, we'll be sure to help.